Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today we're taking a look at a brand new 2024 Vibe 34XL travel trailer. This is a 3 slide out travel trailer. We're going to take a few minutes, walk you through the inside and outside of this RV, kind of show you what this thing's all about. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we are now up inside the brand new 2024 Vibe 34XL here. As you've seen on the floor plan again, triple slide out, kind of a rear kitchen slash desk area in the back. Let's start back here in the back section. We'll kind of work our way forward for you. So back here on the right side, we have kind of a little desk setup. So you could take one of your freestanding chairs here, spin it around, use it back here if you wanted to. You could raise this up for some desk storage space underneath. Window here overlooking the rear end of the RV. There's electric outlet, USB charger ports there, some storage back there. Also have your 12 volt, 10.7 cubic foot Furrion refrigerator over here. Heat ducts coming out some of the cabinetry instead of the floor area. And you also have the electric box with the breakers and fuses down there. Little skylight up above, some hang down pendant lighting here. Now back here on the left side, you're going to have a large pantry area. Up top and down below. You have kind of a soft close hinge door. The wood color changed, some of your flooring, your countertops. So they kind of gave it a little bit of a new look for 2024. Furrion microwave, Furrion hood range light and fan, and you also have that Furrion oven with the glass front. Nice little extra fridge down below as well. But overall, I like the new look. There is a theater seat up there with some built-in little lights, flip down center armrest with a couple cup holders. Also has USB charger port in there as well. You have that dinette, which is attached to the wall, so there's no leg coming down in the middle to bump your knees on. There's electric outlet, USB charger port back there as well. Big windows overlooking the rear side of the RV. And you also have a new pull-down shade as well. You'll notice the floor in the slide matches the main subfloor. That sofa over there will actually flip out, make into a bed, so you could sleep a couple extra guests in here. Electric fireplace, which is basically a nice fancy electric space heater. 50-inch TV with the FM radio built into it, Bluetooth connectivity as well. Kind of see that Coleman ducted AC right there. Digital thermostat on the wall over there for your propane furnace and your main AC. You got a couple slide buttons back here, awning button as well. You also have some light switches, 12 volt tank heaters for cold weather camping, monitor panels for your holding tanks and stuff also. Now we have kind of a walk-through bathroom here. So over on this side, you're going to have your step-in shower. It has the skylight above, ABS tub surround, pull-across vinyl door. You have a porcelain foot flush toilet. Then over here, you're going to have a large closet or washer-dryer area. So you can kind of use this depending on your camping needs. You have a little shelf space up here. There is your washer-dryer hookups down there. That shelf could be taken out if you wanted to do a stackable washer-dryer, or left in if you wanted to do just a combo washer-dryer. Over on this side, you're going to have controls for your on-demand water heater. Nice amount of counter space here, some drawer space and storage space, but a really large bathroom for a travel trailer. And on back into here, you're going to have the master bedroom. And there are 3 folding chairs, one for the desk if you want to take these chairs with you. If it's just the two of you, you may not. But you do have a couple extra chairs for guests and one for the desk area. Or, again, if it's just going to be two people kind of thing, leave those at home. Just use the two that are already out there. Big windows in that slide as well. Those also open. The bed does raise up, so there's some storage underneath of there as well. A lot of counter space over here, some drawer space. TV hookups up there. This one was ordered with that second AC, which is a drop-in Coleman AC. And then up here you have a large closet as well. Some motion lights in here, a little shelf space. More drawer space as well. But overall, pretty cool couples coach here. All right, we're going to step outside. I want to show you around the outside real quick. Let's check her out here. Be sure to check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation, guys. They are one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. They'll definitely save you a lot of money on a new RV if you're interested. And as always, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. It definitely helps out my channel. Please help a guy out. All right, we have white fiberglass exterior, aluminum studded, foam block insulated sidewalls, some black lower metal skirting, some vinyl graphics. You have deep tent safety glass windows. There is a large storage compartment area right here. A little light in here as well. Could maybe do like a little camp griddle or something that you might store in there, or some of your little outside patio equipment or something. The unit has two power awnings on it. You have adjustable arms for tilting for water runoff. You also have manual override in the front arm head as well. There is traditional RV entry door and screen door, large folding handle there to help you get in and out. And then you have the heavy-duty More Ride entrance step here. It's rated for 500 pounds, where a traditional hover step's only rated for 300 pounds. Comes down, touches the ground, adjustable feet. You do have that wide stance axle system down here as well. Aluminum wheels, easy lube hubs, drum brakes. But that wide stance axle system is supposed to help keep it from swaying as much when it's going down the road, but always recommend a nice weight distribution sway control system to help you as well. Big 50-inch TV out here, again, built-in FM radio, also has that Bluetooth connectivity to it. Couple outdoor speakers up there as well. On-demand water heater located back here in the corner. There is a gas line hookup down here, so you could plug in an outside grill or something if you wanted to. You also have power front and rear stabilizer jacks. Traditional 4-inch square tube bumper. You got the spare tire with the mountain cover added on to that as well. It's prepped in the top center up there for a rear observation camera. Also prepped for the Lippert portable stow and go ladder as well. Furnace exhaust out this back side. That's underneath the desk area back there. There is a little dump area down below here. Now, one other thing you might consider as well is slide out awning covers. They roll in and out with the slides. That's a nice feature to consider. If you're going to be traveling and moving around a lot, you're running them rooms in and out, just kind of helps keep them clean. Also helps shade away a lot of leaves, twigs, debris, rain and stuff, just to kind of help protect them. Another dump area right up here. Some more storage on the bottom of the bed area. You can see some of that aluminum tube framing. Then up here we have some of our little hookup area or docking station area. So right here we have, city water inlet, black tank flush, gravity fill, fresh water tank right here. Cable satellite inlets also right here. And then you do have your 30 amp charge controller for the 200 watt solar panel, motion light, electric outlet, outside utility shower, and then bypass for winterization purposes. Oh, right here's an important informational sticker. This one is the production date sticker. Built 10/18 of 23. Gross vehicle weight 9,870 pounds. It's the most you can load it up to. Axle weight, hitch weight, everything combined. Don't exceed that. Tire size ST 225 75 R15 E range tires. So very important, 80 psi cold. Keep up with your tire pressure. That is very, very important. Now right down here is going to be a weight sticker for dry weight. 8,628 pounds dry, with a length 39 feet 10 inches. Also, using the BAL frame. This is a Huck bolt frame. Very, very nice frame, easier to work on and maintain as far as if it's ever accidentally involved in an accident or a crash. A lot easier to kind of do some repairs to, replace sections of it. Just a really nice frame system. On the front here, you have a 3/4 fiberglass front shell. Comes down nicely. Got a kind of a bubbled out area to it to try and slope it back, make it a little more aerodynamic. Lower diamond plate, 2 20-pound propane tanks, hard bottle cover, has a little LED light built in up there as well. Power tongue jack with a built-in light, manual override as well. 2 5/16 hitch ball, heavy-duty safety chains, 7-way Bargman wiring plug. You have room for 1 or possibly 2 batteries to go back here, and you have a battery disconnect back there as well. They also have the little holder right there for your plug to go on and your safety chains to go on as well. All right, folks, thanks a ton for taking the time to watch my RV videos here. Really do appreciate it. Again, please be sure to check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation, one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. Thanks again.